it's Abby. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the Jeffree Cosmetics Premium Mystery Box. Now, I had intended to get the Deluxe Mystery Box, but unfortunately, although I literally had an alarm set every 5 minutes for 20 minutes beforehand, and another alarm set for like every 5 minutes, like 10 minutes after the launch, just in case somehow I missed the first ones, I was there on time, thanks to my planning ahead with all of my alarms. But when I added it to cart, after I went through the whole thing of waiting in line for checkout, I sat there and I typed in all of my information, like my address and whatnot, so it could be shipped to me. And then it sat there on that page after I typed in my address, and it was searching for shipping details for 45 minutes. For 45 minutes, it was sitting there and looking for like the shipping options, and was just sitting there and loading and loading and loading. And then all of a sudden, the website just refreshed itself automatically. Like I didn't do anything to it. It just refreshed and it said, oh, this is out of stock. And like I understand, you know, if you put something in your cart and you're like shopping around and someone else purchases it, then like it disappears from your cart. But like I was in the process of checking out and I was literally just waiting for it to load the shipping details because like I was purchasing it. And then the website just reloaded and apparently gave it to someone else. So that really irritated me because I was super excited for this. I really wanted to do a big unboxing video for you. Unfortunately, the website was literally acting stupid and decided to not give me the mystery box even though it was in my cart. I had put in my address, my email, my phone number. Like the only steps I had left were to select the shipping, which I couldn't do because I was waiting for it to load, and for me to type in my PayPal so I can pay, which I couldn't do until the shipping was selected, so I know how much I had to pay for the shipping, you know? Like the standard, like you type in all your stuff, it selects the shipping, and then you pay. But I couldn't get to the pay part because the shipping wasn't loading. But like I said, it was in my cart. I had already filled out the information. Like you'd think it would be mine at that point, you know? Like you don't think that someone could just like steal out of your cart after you've already like started in the process of paying for it. But apparently, because I sat there for 45 minutes waiting for the shipping to load and just disappeared. So I had to settle for this box, and I'm a little sad because I really wanted the other one. And honestly, this is a little bit smaller than I was expecting, but it's okay because we still got a mystery box. We still have something to unbox here, and I'm really excited to just see what's inside here. So let's just grab I have to be really careful here to make sure that I don't flip the box over and show like, these are too big, and show like my address because I was too lazy to like tape over it. So are you joking? It's attached on the sides. Oh dear God. I literally hate opening up packages. Well, I love opening up packages, but I hate opening up packages. Turning this way so you can't see my address. But like, I'm literally so incompetent when it comes to opening packages. It is such a problem. Okay, so we'll take a look inside here. Okay, so the first thing that I'm seeing in here is this pop socket, and I've actually been thinking about getting a new pop socket because I lost the 2 extras that I had, so I guess now I don't need to get a pop socket. The next thing I see, let me set this down, is a lip ammunition. A lip ammunition in the shade Popsicle Dream. It's a really pretty shade. I'll just open it from the bottom. Oh, that's a lot easier. Ooh, this is literally like the perfect shade of purple. Like purple is my literal favorite color, and this shade of purple is like the perfect purple. Like this is what my room used to be before I painted it white. My whole family, we called it the perfect purple because it literally is the most perfect purple. So I do really like this. I've never tried this formula before. I don't really use lipsticks, so I guess this will be nice to try since I've never tried the formula. Okay, so next thing I see here is a velour liquid lipstick, and this one it says is Diva. Ooh, it's like a nice pink. I'm not really like a pinky person, especially for lipstick, but I do love using his liquid lipsticks as like eyeliners or doing like little details for designs on my face. And I actually was thinking about getting a pink one because I only have like a couple pink ones because like I said, I don't wear it on my lips, but I really love using his liquid lipsticks more than other ones. So I guess that solves my problem. Does this one smell like anything? Oh, no. That doesn't smell like anything. I have a few of the ones that smell like root beer, and I'm absolutely obsessed. They smell so good. Okay, so I see 2 things in here that I know are like new products. They both have the packaging from the holiday collection, which I think is really cool. This one is in the shade Scandal. That is so pretty. It's like a nice like purpley pinkishy shade. And then here can get it out. There is another liquid lipstick from the holiday collection, which I actually think is really cool that there's like new products in here, not just like old ones that they're trying to get rid of. And this one is in the shade Jeffree Who, and it was like a nice dark red. Oh wait, no, just kidding, it's not. The bottle looked different, although you can't really tell through this packaging. Okay, that shade is really pretty. Like, that's my favorite kind of red liquid lipstick to wear. I don't really love bright reds, although I do love the one Hi, How Are Ya, just because I feel like that's the only one that really like looks good on me. But I love more of like toned down reds. Those I feel like they look really good on me, so I'm excited about that because I don't have any of his liquid lipsticks in that shade yet. And then the last thing is a Skin Frost, and this one is in the shade Mint Condition. This one, I don't know if I'm going to be using this. Like, I know which highlighter this is because I saw it on the website and I've seen like people use it. I don't know, I really love colored highlighters, but I feel like this one's just, I don't know. I mean, I guess maybe it's not too bad. I feel like this one's just like a little bit much for me. You can't really tell how green it is in the swatch, I don't think. I do love the formula of his Skin Frost though. I think they're amazing. I really want to get, I literally can't think of the shade name now, but it's one that's like always out of stock. I really want to get that one. But yeah, so we'll see how much I actually use this. I may actually use it as like an eyeshadow or something instead, because although like I said I love colored highlighters, I'm not so sure about this one, so we'll just have to see. Okay, so in conclusion, that sounds like I'm writing a paper. In conclusion, we got 4 + 2, 6 math. We got 6 things. 4 of them are lip products. One of them is the lip ammunition. I did it again. One of them is the lip ammunition, and then the other 3 are all velour liquid lipsticks. We got a pop socket and we got a Skin Frost. So overall, I actually think that's really good for only being like, I don't know, I can't remember the exact price, for like $45, $40. I think it was like $52 with tax and like shipping. So I feel like that's a pretty good deal considering I know that these liquid lipsticks are $18 a piece, so oh god, more math. I don't know, what the heck is 18 times 3? $54. I'm too lazy to pull out my phone and use a calculator. But if I'm correct, and if I'm not, I apologize, I'm not the best at math. But if I'm correct, these 3 together come to $54, plus a pop socket. I have no idea how much the pop sockets are, and I don't recall how much the lip ammunitions are, or the Skin Frost, but I know Skin Frost is a little bit more expensive than the liquid lipsticks, so the fact that you're getting that many things, I think it is a pretty good deal. And the fact that you're getting the 2 liquid lipsticks that are from the new collection, I think that is really cool as well. So all in all, I think it's a pretty good deal. I really hope that he comes out with more for, I don't know, like St. Patrick's Day, Easter, like, I don't know, I'm just trying to think of like anything that could pass as a holiday. Earth Day? Who knows? But like, I really want him to release some more soon because I do really want to get the big box. I was really looking forward to seeing what was in the big box, and I actually really wanted to like merch items, so hopefully next time my computer or the website or whatever was causing the problem won't be like literally stupid, and it will actually let me purchase it next time instead of taking it out of my cart and apparently giving it to someone else. So yeah, this video was a little bit short just because, like I said, there were only 6 products because I didn't get the big box, but I still really want to do an unboxing video for you because I enjoyed watching the unboxing videos from the last mystery box, so I really wanted to kind of join in and do on my own this time. That's not funny! My brother literally just whispered from underneath my door. That literally gave me a heart attack. I get scared so easily. Literally, I probably get scared like 3-4 times a day because I'm just so jumpy. It is honestly the absolute worst because everyone just takes advantage of the fact that I'm so jumpy and they scare me every chance I get. So yeah, I literally, like, my whole body is like kind of shaking right now because that really just scared me. But on that note, I forgot to say this at the beginning because I was so excited to just jump on into the unboxing. But if you liked this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and to subscribe so you can check out my other videos when I upload, and turn on my post notifications so you never miss a post. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!